Hi, this is Magenta Express. Thanks for taking time to be with me. I'm following up on this particular video that was first put out about trauma. So we're going to call this Trauma 2 because I'm going to go into this one further with the energy of this to kind of give people more of a background for it. And when you do this particular exercise, what you are moving with is the energy of see, the energy of get, and the energy of find. There's nothing to add to this see, nothing to add to this get, nothing to add to this find. When you have the shape in the middle, you're working with the energy of ellipse because you're working in between spaces. So this sort of trauma processing is where maybe you don't have all the whatevers of it, you just kind of have a vague impression of it. This is fantastic for that. So see, get, find. When you're doing the energy of see, then you're working with that. It's this back and forth with the word energy and with your right brain. So it really is this entry point that supports you in recognizing and seeing the emotion that goes with that. So breathe into that, and breathe into that. When you're working with the energy of get, at that point what you're doing is you are moving with the energy of get, but also at that point you're working with the energy of the left hemisphere. So you get that wisdom, you get that perspective, you get that stuff from your left brain, you get it. And so when you come down to that energy of find, it's pooling those things together. That's what all this is, brings it all in. So the marks, the drops, the tears, whatever way you want to put them, is the energy from this and this and this all trickling in and being held. When you move into moving the fingers, at that point what you're doing is you are doing this EMDR point, this right left brain thing. So in EMDR it's often where it's 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, but you might find as you're moving with this exercise, this trauma exercise, that what happens is your fingers just start to go, and it doesn't necessarily follow any particular kind of rhythm. Your body knows, your body holds these things, your brain is, it goes back to that book, Your Body Keeps the Score, and your brain encapsulates them, I guess. So when you're moving with this, then you're going with that. You're going with whatever is there. So this is further into this initial trauma experience using the ellipse, see, get, find, and when you have your container here, you have that base, that just really holds it. And then it just kind of pours through you and moves with you. And that's how you move from an 8 to a 2. Blessings on your way. Thanks for taking time to be with me today.